Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to sketch a realistic water drop. Alright, let's get started. To draw a realistic water drop for beginners, though this video is for beginners, and I'll be introducing you to some sketching techniques that you find very applicable and easy to enable you draw your own sketch. So make sure that as I'm drawing that you get your own pencil and your paper, and you love to join me as I draw it, just in case you want to improve yourself. Maybe you are just starting your drawing lessons and you want to improve yourself. I'll advise you to join me and start right away. So as you can see, I'm drawing. As you can see, I'm sketching out the layout. After sketching out the layout, I would love to start shading. While I'm shading, I'll be shading randomly because I don't want to take I don't want to do some other kind of shading like cross hashing, like pointillism or dots. So I'll be shading randomly. I'll just be taking it easy to get a smooth shade, surface and texture. So here I'm using HB pencil. For the darker shade, I'll be using black. I'm using dark charcoal for the darker shade. So